Hello guys, welcome to the Mass Series TV. Alright, today we are going to continue with the section 2 of Unit 1. Please kindly subscribe, share and comment for me. Thank you very much. Alright, let's get started. We are going to do angles and triangles and their properties. Okay, so let's take this question. Explain why it is impossible to have a triangle whose three sides are 6, 8 and 15. Now a little bit of context of this. For a triangle, for a size to form a triangle, what has to happen is that when you add the two sides, it should be greater than the other side. Okay, so when you add 6 and 7, it should be greater than 15. If you add 8 and 15, it should be greater than 6. And if you add 6 and 15, it should be greater than 8. So this way I say, why is it impossible to have a triangle like this? A triangle with this size. Why? Because 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. And 14 is less than the next sign, which is what? 15. Are you getting it? So this one can't be a triangle. But when we have a triangle with a size 3, 4 and 5, let's see. 3 plus 4 is 7 and it's greater than this 5. Are you using it? Let's take another 2. 3 plus 5 is 8 and it is greater than the other side 4. And 4 plus 5 is 9 and it's greater than the other side, which is what? 3. So for this one it can form a triangle, but this one no. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Find the measure of the third angle of the triangle if the first two angles contain 60 and 40. You know that the triangle, the sum of the angles there is 180. So if the third angle is x, 60 plus 40 plus the third angle x equals 180. Let me draw a diagram for you. What we mean is that we have a triangle like this. Maybe here is 60 and here is 40. What will be this one? Have you seen it? And when you add this and this, you are going to get 180. So I can make this one x. Okay, so now 60 plus 40 is 100 plus x equals 180. Let's group like things. X is going to give me 180 minus 100 and x is 80 degrees. So the third angle is 80 degrees. Okay, let's move to the next one. So you should show whether the three angles below can be the three angles of a triangle, 70, 80 and 90. What do you know about triangles? Triangles, sum of angles add up to 180. But let's see this one. Let's add and see. 70 plus 80 plus 90. What are you getting? I think 240. Right, so 70 plus 8 plus 90. 7 plus 8 is 15 plus 9 is 24. This one is more than 180. So this triangle, these angles cannot form a triangle. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? So the triangles below can it can't be the three angles of a triangle. All right, okay, next question. Find the number of degrees in each angle of an equilateral triangle. We have different types of triangles, but this one is equilateral. Why? I did 1 1 1 on all the three sides because it shows that the sides are the same. So now if you have a triangle and the sides are the same, it means that the angles are also the same. So this angle, if here is A, the same as this angle A, the same as this angle A. And you remember that when you add all the angles in a triangle, we get what? 180. Alright, so A plus A plus A is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so now A plus A plus A give me 3A square to 180. Divide here by 3, here by 3. This cancels this. Now A is equal to 180 degrees divided by 3 degrees, 60 degrees. So the number of degrees of each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. Okay, yes. So let's move to the next question. What is the measure of the two acute angles of a right triangle? Per our previous lesson in section 1, we learned that right angle triangles or right triangles have a measure of 90 degrees. Are you getting it? So if you have 90 degrees, what are the two acute angles? And acute angles are less than 90 degrees. I hope you remember it. So the two acute angles can be, someone can get 30 and 60. Someone can get 45 and 45. But don't choose this one. Choose this, or maybe 20 and 70. Have you seen it? So any two angles that you add, you get 90. Those are the two acute angles of the right triangle. Oh no, sorry, let's come. This is a right triangle. Okay, this is a right triangle. This place is 90 degrees. I'm sorry for the interruption. Sorry very much. Now this angle and this angle, they are always the same. Okay, so these are the two acute angles. So x and x. So we know that this one is 90 degrees. So 90 plus x equal to what? 180 degrees. So 90 plus 2x equal to 180 degrees. Now when we group like things, we are going to get 180 minus 9. So 2x equal to 90, which is 45. So it means that the two acute angles are 45 and 45. 45 and 45. Okay, I'm sorry for this mistake. Very sorry. Okay, very sorry. So the acute angles are 45 degrees and 45 degrees. Okay, all right, let's move to the next one. In the part, find the measure of the triangle whose measures are given in the given continued ratio 1:2:3. So it means that the sides are in this ratio. So the first thing you do is to find the total ratio. The total ratio corresponds to the sum of this one. So there's 1 plus 2 plus 3. This one is 6. If you want to find the angle which is 1, all what we'll do is that we'll do 1 over the total ratio 6 times what's the total angle in a triangle? 180. Okay, now 6 into 180 is what? 30. Okay, so 1 times 30 is 30 degrees. That's the first angle that corresponds to 1. I hope you can try the next one. 2. So 2 over the total ratio 6 times 180 degrees. 6 will go here, 1 into 180, 30. Now 2 times 30 is 60 degrees. Let's do the last one as well. 3 over 6 times 180 degrees. 3 will go into itself, 1 into 6, 2. Now 180 divided by 2 is 90 degrees. You can see that when we add 30 plus 60 plus 90, we get 180. So we are correct. Now I'm very sorry for all these cancellations, but you can type it on your calculator. 1 over 6 times 180, and you get your 30 degrees. Okay, so there's no need for this rough cancellations. Okay, let's move to the next question. Okay, that's our last question. Okay, can a triangle have two right angles? Why or why not? There's a triangle. Can it have two right angles? No, because if this is 90 degrees, this angle here, like this angle here, should be 90 degrees. Obviously, so you can't have only one angle equal to 90 degrees. No, I getting it. So no. Okay, if one is 90, another one can be 90. Else you can't have 90 90 0. No, it can't happen like that. Okay, so there's no triangle with two right angles. Thank you very much for your attention and everything. I'll urge you to like, comment, subscribe, and keep us moving. Yes, we are going to finish the book by God's grace. Thank you very much. Bye bye.